In this project, we set together a challenge with marine researchers and port authorities about the dragging sediment in the Port of Koper. Sea is a huge value for all our community. Throughout this project, PiNA was creating conditions so the community was able to experiment with the innovative results that Hypercomf collective has developed.
Our creative process in dealing with this material was basically to research the material itself that we didn't know a lot about, and it's a very problematic material that many countries have tried a lot of experiments to see what they can do with it, but nobody has come up with an actual result, something viable, sustainable economically, and also to research the organisms that live within this material.
During the residency, artists carried out several workshops with local communities.
We are learning about the marine ecosystems that surround us in Koper Bay, and we're making two different biomaterial recipes. One is to create sediment tiles, so tiles that can be used in wall surfaces or on the floor. And another recipe that is going to create earthen paint. It's called earthen or clay paint. So it's paint that you can use in your home that is based on marine sediment, and it's colored using natural earth pigments.
Researchers from Marine Biology Station, National Institute of Biology, joined the project because it offers a fresh perspective, combining science and art to explore environmental issues in a totally new light. It helps us understand how the public sees these challenges and makes complex topics more accessible. By working with artists, we ensure the message stays scientifically accurate while reaching a wider audience.
Our participation in this project was an opportunity to show through very practical examples that marine sediments are not just construction waste. In previous projects, we have already demonstrated that it's possible to produce certified building bricks from this marine resource. This time, the project went a step further, turning sediments into unique works of art that raise awareness of circular economy and sustainability, even in very industrial environments.
This material is regarded as waste right now. It's something that you need to hide or get rid of, this marine sediment. And it's important to understand that nothing is waste, everything can be reused, everything can be repurposed, and that we can build a sort of material continuity between the natural, between the built, and a sort of circularity of materials.